How much should you actually spend on a brew kettle? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Gas One 10-gallon brew kettle. First up is the Gas One 10-gallon stainless steel home brew kettle, priced around $107.99. What caught my eye is its tri-ply bottom, which ensures even heat distribution. If you want a reliable kettle that can handle your brewing needs, this is worth a serious look. The tri-ply construction means it not only heats up quickly, but also maintains that heat critical for brewing. Plus, the kettle is made from high-quality stainless steel, making it easy to clean and durable. It has scale markings inside, so you can keep track of your measurements, which is super helpful during the brewing process. And with over 1,000 reviews, averaging 4.4 stars, it's clear that many find it dependable. Now, some people complained about the weight of the kettle when full. It could be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, if you're brewing larger batches, a heavier kettle is just a sign of its sturdiness. If you're serious about your brewing, you can handle it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to brew in larger quantities and want something built to last. Skip this one if you're just starting out and don't want to invest in a more robust kettle yet. For the quality, the price is pretty solid. Now, if the weight of the Gas One kettle concerns you, the next product might actually be more manageable. Product number 2, Gas One 8-gallon brew kettle. Next up is the Gas One 8-gallon stainless steel home brew kettle, priced at $99.99. I was drawn to its polished finish and the same great tri-ply bottom as its bigger sibling. If you want a lighter option without compromising quality, this is definitely worth considering. This kettle has all the same great features, including scale markings for precise measurements and ergonomic handles for easy lifting. It's built from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring a long-lasting investment. Plus, it comes with a thermometer and ball valve, essential for monitoring your brew's temperature and transferring it with ease. It also has a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews. However, some users noted that the thermometer can be a bit tricky to read. Now, I get that can be frustrating, but you can always grab an external thermometer to double-check, and it doesn't take away from the kettle's overall functionality. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable kettle without the bulk. Skip this one if you're set on brewing larger batches consistently. For the price, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to brew in larger quantities, so stick around. Product number 3, Gas One 16-gallon brew kettle. Now let's look at the Gas One 16-gallon stainless steel home brew kettle, priced at $134.99. This kettle really caught my attention with its impressive capacity and solid construction. If you're brewing for a crowd or want to scale up your brewing, this is definitely worth your time. This kettle features the same high-quality stainless steel and tri-ply bottom for even heat distribution. The scale markings are clear and easy to read, which is crucial for larger batches. You'll appreciate the welded ergonomic handles that make pouring so much easier, especially when the kettle is full. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, this kettle gets high marks for performance. However, some users found it a bit bulky for home storage. But honestly, if you're brewing larger batches, you'll need the space anyway, and it's a trade-off for the extra capacity. This is perfect for you if you're serious about brewing and often entertain. Skip this one if your brewing needs are more modest. For the money, it delivers great value for larger brews. Now, if you're looking for a more compact solution that still delivers on filtration, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Hop Spider Hop Filter. Next is the Tiz Hop Spider 300 micron mesh hop filter, priced at $28.99. I love this little addition for home brewers. If you want to simplify your brewing process and avoid hop trub mess, this is a solid choice. This filter is designed to hang inside your brew kettle during the boil, keeping the hop trub out of your brew bucket. It's easy to clean and works far better than traditional cloth bags. Made from stainless steel, this filter is rust-proof and durable, making it a long-term investment. It has an impressive 4.7-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, indicating that many brewers find it effective. However, Some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to hang securely. Here's the thing. If you're brewing at home, you'll likely figure out a stable way to hang it, and the convenience it brings is worth a bit of tinkering. This is perfect for you if you're brewing regularly and want to streamline your process. Skip this one if you only brew occasionally. For the price, it's a steal for the convenience it adds. Alright, that was a unique option. But let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of all our top choices. Product number 5, Gas 1 10-gallon cold brew maker. Finally, we have the Brew to a T1 gallon cold brew coffee maker, priced at $29.85. This one stands out with its sleek design and functionality. If you're also into cold brew coffee, this is a must-have. This coffee maker is made from premium glass with a stainless steel spigot for easy pouring. It has a super fine mesh filter that keeps the grounds out, giving you a smooth brew every time. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clear buyers love it. The 1-gallon capacity means you can brew plenty at once. Now, some users found that the glass can be fragile if not handled carefully. Here's the thing though, it's glass, so a bit of care goes a long way. The quality and brew you get are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you love cold brew and want a stylish addition to your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for something for hot brewing. For the price, it's an excellent value for coffee lovers. To wrap it all up, we explored 5 solid options. The Gas 1 10-gallon brew kettle for serious brewers, the slightly lighter 8-gallon version, the spacious 16-gallon kettle for larger batches, the Tiz Hop Spider for easy filtration, and the Brew to a T-cold brew maker for coffee enthusiasts. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your brewing needs best.